Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to clean. This is an LG 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner, single hose. So what you got to do, there's a lot of hidden screws. First you got to lift up the duct, and you see one screw there and another screw there. Front cover is actually easy, but you really got to watch out. You got to take out these side clips, which go right there, and there's screws all the way down in there. So you got to really look for them. And then there's also screws right there for this side. And then you just got to go along and unsnap it, which I've pretty much done already. And you see the front cover is off. But I mean, look at all the filth in there. Look at that on the condenser. That's just ridiculous. This actually smelled really musty. I bought this used, and I had it running. It's blowing cold as can be. I just love the way it's working, but it smells like mildew. I just had to get rid of this smell. So you definitely got to clean these things, and I don't think you got to clean them that often. So we're going to clean this up just like it was when it was sold brand new. Okay, on the back here it's a lot more confusing. The obvious ones, got to take the screw out of there, here, and you have two in here, one there, one on this side. And I already told you about the two hidden screws right in there. There, you can see them right there. And they have two there at the bottom, as you can see. And they have on the insides, why it's so important, always take the front cover off first. I already took off the right one. Now the left one. Okay. Still, I'd advise being very careful, because I did break two tabs. There's one right there. Try to set that right here. You might have to glue it on. Darn. There is no video on YouTube showing you really how to do this, because there's a lot of clips just like that one that you really got to take off. Looks like it wants to come. Sorry about this bad filming. Let me put this down so I can try to lift this back off. Okay, once the hose is removed and it says unlock, comes right out perfect. Hose does not look bad, but wait until you see this. She should come right off. Yep. See if I can get on a better angle here. Don't want to break more than I already did. Okay. Oh, the thermostat's in there. Yep. Right there. Ooh, okay. That's really terrible filming. I am sorry. This is not an easy job here. Okay, but look at how dirty that is. Look at that. I can't even believe it was actually getting cold. I mean, the condenser and evaporator are just covered. Just showing how these get clogged, because if you know anything about a portable AC unit, they also dehumidify. So what they're doing is they're taking all the moisture out of the air and it's going, the evaporator is always going to be wet, cold, so any kind of dust that it's drawing from the inside is going to get stuck on here. I mean, I really cannot believe that this was running as efficient as it was, that this compressor was actually going. I mean, everything is just covered in dust. Everything. Give you an after shot. You always want to vacuum it out before you go and hose that out. You hose it out, you're just going to get it deeper. Strong vacuum too. One of the worst evaporators I've ever seen. I'm ASE certified on automotive and diesel, and like bulldozers, they get a ton of dust because they work in dirt, but it's more dirt, not fine dust like this. This is bad. I can't believe how much colder this thing's going to be after doing this. Alright, let me finish vacuuming this. Alright, that's as good as I can get it with the vacuum. I mean, it did get 85–90% of the dust out. But to get it behind the compressor is just impossible, so gonna have to do it. And if you guys are ever wondering, this is the drip pan right here, all of this. There's your drain. So everything's designed to drip down into here when you go and drain it. It really doesn't carry that much. I mean, it would carry up to a gallon, so you can get this wet. Take my word on that. You can. Now look at how clean it is. The evaporator is completely clean, and the condenser is completely clean also. Perfect job.